Lights, camera, action. If you're ready to take your vlogging game from meh to magnificent, you've clicked your way to the right spot. Whether you're filming your daily coffee run, sharing your travel escapades, or dishing out advice that only your cat appreciates, the right camera can make all the difference. So grab a snack, get comfy, and let's dive into the world of the best vlogging cameras that will have your viewers hitting that subscribe button faster than you can say, "Let's vlog." Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Gavonde W08-C, our pick for best budget vlogging camera. If you're ready to capture your world in stunning detail, let me introduce you to the Gavonde W08-C digital camera, your new adventure buddy. With a whopping 64 megapixel sensor and ultra-high definition 4K video capabilities, this little powerhouse ensures every moment is a masterpiece, whether you're vlogging about your morning coffee or snapping shots of that elusive sunrise. What's that? You want options? You got it. With a versatile autofocus system that offers auto, manual, and fixed settings, you can customize your shooting experience to fit your unique style. Plus, say goodbye to the hassle of transferring photos. Its integrated Wi-Fi lets you share your brilliance on social media in the blink of an eye, making your followers green with envy. And selfies? Oh, we've got those covered too. The 180-degree IPS flip screen makes it a breeze to capture your best angles. No more awkward arm stretches. With an 18 times digital zoom, you can get up close and personal with your subjects. Just remember, too much zoom might make things a little fuzzy. Feel like getting creative? Dive into a treasure trove of photo and video modes, from time-lapse to slow motion, ensuring your artistic flair shines bright. The Gavonde W08-C isn't just a camera, it's your ticket to a world of creativity. So go ahead, elevate your photography game, and unleash your inner storyteller. Number 4. GoPro HERO13 Black, our pick for best action vlogging camera. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate action vlogging companion, look no further than the GoPro HERO13 Black. This isn't just another camera. It's your ticket to becoming the next big sensation in the vlogging world. Packed with best-in-class 5.3K 60 video, your adventures will explode off the screen with sharp details and vibrant colors that'll leave your followers gasping for more. With innovative HB series lenses and a beefed-up battery, the HERO13 Black proves it's as tough as nails, just like you. Whether you're diving into the depths of the ocean, scaling the highest mountain, or simply capturing your heroic feats in the kitchen, this little powerhouse has got your back. Worried about storage? It takes micro SD cards, so there's no need to fret about running out of space for all that epic content. And with a slick 2.27-inch screen, you can frame your shots without a hitch. But here's the kicker. It's not just about capturing moments, it's about sharing your story. So, whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a home chef with a flair for the dramatic, slap on that HERO13, and let's turn your life into the blockbuster it deserves to be. Get ready, world. Your cinematic journey is about to kick off. Still searching for the perfect vlogging camera? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Insta360 X4, our pick for best 360-degree vlogging camera. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate 360-degree vlogging camera, you're in for a treat with the Insta360 X4. Say goodbye to the days of awkward angles and missed shots. This little marvel captures stunning 8K video and smooth 5.7K at a breezy 60 frames per second. That means you can film your epic adventures in jaw-dropping detail, while the active HDR ensures your colors pop even during the most action-packed moments. But who needs to fuss over framing shots when you can shoot now and reframe later? With the AI-powered Insta360 app, your cinematic vision is just a few taps away. And let's not forget the signature invisible selfie stick effect. You'll look like a filmmaking wizard, capturing the action without a stick in sight. Just remember, the stick isn't included in the standalone version, so you might want to snag one. Need versatility? The X4 has you covered with its nifty 4K action camera capabilities and a whopping 170-degree max view. Plus, with flow state stabilization and 360-degree horizon lock, your footage will be smoother than your best friend's pickup lines. Built tough for the most attractive adventurers, the X4 is cold-resistant and waterproof, ready to dive into anything from snowball fights to underwater escapades without breaking a sweat. So gear up and get ready to film life like never before, because life's too short for boring videos. Number 2. Sony ZV-1, our pick for best compact vlogging camera. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate compact camera that gets vlogging done right, look no further than the Sony ZV-1. Designed specifically with vloggers in mind, this little powerhouse fits snugly in your hand, ready to capture those unexpected moments as you go about your day. That fully articulated screen? It's a game changer. Frame your shots like a pro and always keep yourself in the spotlight. No more awkwardly guessing where to stand. Now let's talk about quality. With the ZV-1's 4K recording capabilities and lightning-fast autofocus, you'll produce videos that not only look fantastic, but also resonate with your viewers. Sure, its 1-inch sensor might be a little shy in low-light situations, but overall, it performs brilliantly in most scenarios, ensuring that your content dazzles. Thinking about making the leap to the Sony ZV-1 Mark II? Just a heads up. While it boasts a wider lens for that expansive flare, you might find the lack of optical stabilization a bit jarring on the smoothness front. Plus, your wallet might feel a pinch with that higher price tag. So, whether you stick with the ZV-1 or consider its pricier sibling, rest assured, this delightfully portable gem will elevate your vlogging game and help you share your adventures with flair. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. DJI Osmo Pocket 3, our pick for best vlogging camera overall. If you're on the hunt for a vlogging camera that matches your jet-setting lifestyle, look no further than the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This nifty little gadget is like the Swiss Army knife of cameras. Compact yet packed with the kind of high-quality features usually reserved for weighty beasts you wouldn't dare lug around on your adventures. With a snazzy 1-inch sensor, this pocket powerhouse gives your footage the kind of jaw-dropping quality that would make even a Sony ZV-1 Mark II consider retirement. Say hello to stunning visuals, natural bokeh, and low-light performance that'll make your twilight shots sparkle. Advanced face tracking means you can strut your stuff without fear of being out of focus, ensuring every laugh, dance move, and spontaneous selfie is flawlessly captured. Need to shoot in 4K without the battery crapping out on you? Osmo Pocket 3 has your back with 2 hours of juice to bring your story to life. While it may stumble in the realms of photography and underwater escapades, it truly excels at creating dynamic content for your YouTube or TikTok channel. So why let clunky gear cramp your style? With the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, expressing your creativity has never been easier. Get ready to document every wild moment and share your unique perspective with the world, because every memory deserves to be immortalized in glorious HD. Whew, we made it! That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best vlogging cameras. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also let us know in the comments which vlogging camera you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.